Alright people, this is Yardman Chef in the building again. And today, as we did promise, we're gonna do a special. Because a long time I'm not cooking up. A long time. I mean, I've been waiting for it. And let me tell you something. My daughter surprised me the other day and I was feeling so good. And the food was good. It was yummy. Man, she did a great job. But today, I am gonna be cooking lamb loins. Alright? It's a type of goat meat thing. And trust me, I'm gonna be barbecuing that with some nice roast breadfruit, Jamaican style, Yardman style. Alright guys, so I am in the kitchen right now and I'm gonna be cooking, as I said, lamb loins. Alright, so I went to the supermarket and I grabbed myself maybe about, say about a pound and a half to about 2 pounds of lamb's loins, right? Something simple. I mean, I've done it before, but it's been a long while, like many years ago. But trust me, it might be nice. So let me show you what it looks like. Alright, so this is my lamb loins. Alright, very tender and nice. Yeah, and trust me, this is gonna taste good. Alright, it's not pork, people, so those who are thinking it's pork, it's not pork. Alright, this is goat meat. Alright, this is lamb. I think the lamb is the same thing as the sheep or whatever I call it. Alright, same thing what people call mutton, because mutton is different from goat meat. So this is what it looks like. Alright, so I'll get that. I already get it marinated in all my seasoning and such like that from morning, so it's ready to go. And let me tell you something, it won't taste good. Me I tell you, it won't taste good. This is when I'm gonna make you lick on 10 finger, and maybe you lick on total. I'm just joking guys. Alright, so I'm gonna go and get this ready right now for the oven. See you soon. So if you guys see my yellow heart breadfruit, alright, got them yesterday. Trust me, my yellow heart breadfruit, and these are one of the best breadfruit you can ever find. You know, it really tastes good, and these are actually turned right now, ready. You know, when turned breadfruit, roast it nice. More likely when it get ripe, it's nice. Alright, chef in the building, and you know this is how we do it, Yardman style. Alright, so I'm gonna get my ingredients in this now, like my vegetables and such like that, because everything have to look nice. Alright, I normally use a glass baking bowl to do my stuff, right? It can be done in the file one, but I prefer to use this because I don't know, it's just it make my meat more, you know, nicer, and it make it, you know, it work out better for me. You understand? It work out better for me. So I'm gonna be using this glass bowl here too, and this is my this is oven. This is for oven. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. So what I do, I normally glaze this with some nice olive oil. You know, I tell you, I love to use olive oil in my type of cooking because it's more rich, and olive oil doesn't burn like how most oil burn. So I just put these here. And the reason why I put the oil in it, so you know, it prevent the my meat from sticking. So I put these in like this. Alright, simple like that. Alright, you can see the nice tender juicy bones here. I think this is a fresh lamb. Alright, so this now I'm gonna just add my other vegetables with this and to get things rolling. Alright. So we have the breadfruit here. We slice them so it's easy to roast when you put it in the oven. You know, that's how we do it, because if you don't roast it, if you don't slice it like that, then it might burst, you know. So you give it a little slice, because you know it's gonna be a lot of heat inside there. So I'm gonna get these breadfruit into the oven, you know, let it go and roast for until you can put both breadfruit and the thing inside here, because you know, I think it won't be just make one thing and do, you know. So get them inside there. So guys, here we have our smoky Hunt barbecue sauce, and this is Sherwood chipotle. The same one of the chipotle that they use at Papa John's. I think it's the same type of oh, this is not the only one, but this is a Cherrywood, so I guess it might have a different flavor, but I like this one to use. It's really rich and it gives the meat a like a darkish type of looking. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using this with my lamb meat here for barbecue. All right. Alright, so guys, we have these cut up here, and these I'm gonna be just making some stew with this, so I can have it along with my my lamb. Alright, so this is a different method of how to do it. I could have put it with the lamb meat in the oven, but I don't like it like that. Alright, and so I want to try this method of just stewing this down in some nice tomato sauce, and a little bit of the same smoky on the barbecue sausage, the Cherrywood chipotle, and it will really taste good. You're gonna see the result of it. It's gonna be looking good. So guys, I'm here now, and this is my lettuce stew down, and what I put in it was I have the ram it up. It's more of a ram goat mix soup. It's more for ram goat and curry. You can use it for curry goat thing. So I use this just to give it a flavor. You understand? Just to give it that goatish taste, you know. And then I had some noodles, cock soup. Yeah, just to give it that type of spice, soupy type of taste, you know. So in here I have carrots, I have Irish potato, and I have some lima beans, along with sweet peppers and you know, thyme and scallion and onions and such forth. So this is really looking nice. All right, so I put my my gauge at least say medium low, so it will take its time and simmer down. So at this time I'm gonna check my meat and see what's going on down there. Everything is looking good. The breadfruit is really looking good. Yeah, normally I put foil paper underneath just to catch the stain from the breadfruit dripping. Alright, and I'm gonna check to see what's happening with my meat. Alright, I think this should be about say 45 minutes, and everything food looking good already. Not sure know what you're saying. Yes, really looking good, people, really looking good. So yeah, we say food soon ready, maybe in the next 25 minutes or so. I tell you, the breadfruit that I got nice. Alright, I'm gonna maybe frying 2 piece, and then 2 piece I just leave it like that, because we know some people like it fried, some people like it like that. Alright, so
Hi guys, what's up? Alright, I want to give a big shout out to my big YouTube friend. Her name is Shan Zen Zen. What's her name is? Shan Zen Zen. Yes, a beautiful princess on YouTube. I want you to go over and check out our page. Alright, our page. The girl has some great content. Alright, please go over and click that that big red something where you see them calling name button, and the police button, but the subscribe button. And guys, please give her all your support that you can. Alright, and you can invite other friends to go over there and click on that big red button too. Like up our videos, them comment on it, and give her a big thumbs up. Alright, she looking out for you and she wait for you, so make sure you go over there and do the right thing. Alright, look right over there. So you see it, tell me if you see it. Please go and support her, right? She's a genuine person, and trust me, show her all the love you can show. Alright,
so people, I'm going to be checking my meat right now to see where it is at. Alright. Ooh, look at that. Looking good. Wow. Really good, people. Wow, look at the softness of that. Alright. And it's good. We're gonna be flipping them over on the other side. Look at that. Ooh, juicy and tender. Just love this. There and put it in the oven for maybe about 15 more minutes or maybe 10 to 15 minutes so you get that nice sweet mild juicy all the words in your food. Alright, so we're gonna be checking out the stew, see what is happening with the stew here. Alright, it's looking really good. I like it. Cherry juice with mango and what again I did put tonight, tangerine. Alright, so that is it, guys. Nice, trust me, it going to taste good. Hope you guys like it. And please remember to like up my video and hit that subscribe button and give me the thumbs up, because you know more is coming. Yardman says so in the place. Bless up, people.